Yo, it's your boy, He That Trades. It's Wednesday, 20th of May, 2026. Imagine that. That's how fucking long it's been since I last recorded, bro. Since I last put a camera in my face and just been like, yo, I'm gonna record and shit. It's been a minute. It's actually been a minute. And, the thing about trading part time and working full time that I'm trying to swap those two around, bro. Like I'm really trying to be trading full time, work part time. You get me? Like I just need to work part time to get the money to fund the trading that I want to do full time. So that's where I'm currently at. So anyway, I'm in the office, just clocked in. I've got the two speed points on that side. Then I got the work tablet, and then I just finished coffee and shit. So yeah. So let me just show you the fit. Let me show you the fit real quick. Um, got these tracksuit pants from Shein, NASA, and then I got my Nike shoes, and then got this Red X that I got from just Red X jacket that I got from Mr. Price, and then other side. Then I got my Nike shirt on, my Wanga watch, and then I got a chain. The film, I got my chain. You know how it be like, the moment you get into the sun, it's like, even the watch be doing it worse. Fuck that shit. Like the watch is literally like reflective, very reflective. But anyway, so trading wise, prop firm, GFT $10,000 account. I'm still in drawdown. Well, we won't dive into the screen recording right now. I'm still in drawdown, bro. I'm still in drawdown, but rather than being in drawdown $210, I'm now $119, $117 in drawdown. So I gotta make that money back. Then I'm back at 10,000. Then I gotta make $120 in order for me to be eligible for a payout. So yeah, it's been a rough 2 months. I was close to drawdown, close to blowing my account. Now I'm clawing my way out drawdown. And then the end of the month is coming up. I'm gonna buy me and my friend we're gonna join together for a account on GFT instant so that we can put two monies together and see how it works. But at the same time, individually, we still have our own separate accounts. So yeah, today there's not going to be much work because I've already done a list of people that haven't came. I already sent my mid-month report basically. So yeah, anyway, without further ado, let's jump right into the charts. Yo, it's your boy, He That Trades. So like I said, it's 20th May 2026, Wednesday, 12 minutes past 9. So without further ado, without wasting any more time, bro, let's dive right in, bro. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna first start off with the MT5. Right, start off with the MT5. As you can see, no demo account, bro. No fucking demo account. It's a live account. Yeah, well. So on NAS, what I'm looking for sales. So this is what I got for NAS. We were basically going up, right? We've been going up, respecting this yellow trend line. We broke it, right? Retested, came down. We hit a major support, which was this support that this trade, that the market rejected off of violently. And the fact that we're not rejecting off of it violently, we are still within this zone. And what I'm looking at is the head, left shoulder, right shoulder. This is the arm, that's the arm. You get me? So if we can go below this retest, I'm selling this shit all the way down, bro. All the way down up until here. All the way down up until the next part where we had a left head, left shoulder, head, and then we failed to make the right shoulder make us come down. So 25,226 is where my TP is going to be for this trade. All right, so I'm looking for sales on Nasdaq. Gold on a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, bullish level, but overall still bearish. BTC waiting for that retest, so we were in this descending trend line, as you can see on a daily time frame. We're still bullish overall, but we bearish within the bullish trend line. So I'm waiting for the market to just hit that resistance, come back, retest, then I can place a trade, because now we broke structure, so we have a BOS, break of structure. We need a retest, support forming a lower high, right? Then we can place our buys, and then place our buys to the next resistance zone, which is 78.34, possibly maybe 79.265. But yeah, so bearish, bullish, and then Great British Pound USD. I'm bearish on it, but this setup needs to play out. So I wanted to break here, retest, then I can continue on, because it's currently right now literally in the middle of the trend line. So I don't know whether it's going to go back up, hit there, come down, or just continue down. So I'm using this yellow line as a barrier, right? And then Euro USD, the same thing, right? On here we could see a come up, but at the same time it's already breaking this trend line here, so it could come down, then go back up in the trend line, then so I'll just use this yellow line as a barrier the same way. So these two correlate, so there's no setups here. This is bullish, bearish. Yeah, and then let me go into the actual dashboard. So this is my dashboard. As you can see, active live account. I'm at 9,889. I have $110 drawdown that I need to cover before I can actually get to break even level. As you can see, live account phase live, account phase live, profit split 80%, account size 10,000, start date 1 April 2026. So 1st April, May 1st, that's the first month. So yeah, man, yeah. And then my win rate 70%. I've taken a total of 58 trades, and so let's go further into the stats. So these are my stats. This is how the stats are looking like. My average P&L is 88 in the negative, and then my win rate 70%. Average risk to reward is 0.3. Profit factor 0.76. Total wins 41 out of 58 total trades. Total losses 17 out of 58. So I'm kind of profitable in terms of my profit range. So like every fourth trade will be a loss. And then this is basically my analytics: my best win, my best loss, my best week, my worst week, my best month, my worst month. Average win streak, average lose streaks. Max win streaks 7, which is a whole week, and then 3, and things that I said already. So this is May, bro. But before we get into May, let me go to April and show you guys. This is how April was. So April, as you can see here, the April's one isn't balanced. You get what I'm saying? Like April, it's $2, then it's $18, then it's $121, then it's $5, $19 loss, then a $75 profit, and then $4, $2, $5 negative, and then $149. Like, you know what I mean? It's not consistent. You know what I mean? There isn't a median, right? So I reevaluated myself. I was like, you know what? Fuck it. I need to double down and actually come up with a strategy. What am I comfortable taking? What am I comfortable losing? And if I lose it, can there be another setup that's going to that's going to give me back the losses, or at least half of that loss? You get what I'm saying? So rather than taking 121 loss, I can take maybe a $60 loss. You get me? So that was April. So that was how I was able. And because I started the challenge on the 1st of April, but there's no analytics for March, February, and so on. So let's go into the current month, May. So the current month of May, you can see that it's green across the board. So I don't know whether it was April's price action. I don't know. I don't want to blame price action. I just want to showcase the difference between May and April. So May, as you can see, $16 profit, $2 profit, $9 profit, $12 profit, $7 profit, $27 loss, $30 profit, $13 profit, $21 profit. As you can see, with May's trading, basically, I'm more consistent, right? The amount that I've lost is an average of the amount that I've won. You get what I'm saying? So even if I take a loss on one day, over a period of a week, within that same week, I would have made back that money. You get what I'm saying? So like here, I made 12, 9, 2. That's already $23 in this week. And then in this week, I took a $27 loss, but I made it back the next day on $30, which means I made $3 profit here. Then I closed off the Sunday on BTC with $13. Then I closed off Monday NASDAQ with a $21. So as you can see with May, rather than me taking $100 loss and then taking $100 loss and then taking a $72 profit and then going back to $4, I was like, no. Let me stick to what I can. Let me see if I can make $10 a day, right? So $10 not achieved on this day, achieved here, slightly off, achieved, slightly off, negative, but made it back, right? So that means I made back this loss and walked away with a little bit of profit. Then made it here. So I'm trying to get to the point where I'm like, I just trade $10 a day. Yeah, bro, because when I look at it mathematically, $10 a day times by 5 over a period of a week is $50, right? Then times that by 4 to get it into a month. That means that's $200. Currently, right now, my account balance is sitting at let's just go back a bit. Yeah, my account balance is sitting at 9,880. So just say 9,800, right? 9,800 plus $200, 9,889 plus $200 will give me back to break even. Then I'll be 10, 120 minus 10, 0, 89. Then I'll be $31 away from being able to request a payout. Yeah, well, because as you can see right here, bro, Uguti, my payout, I'm still in drawdown. Yeah, well, I'm in drawdown $110. I need to be able to make back that $110, then make $120 in order for me to be able to request a payout. Yeah, so I already put in my details. Let me say crypto. Already set up my payment, as you can see. Yeah, well, so yeah, man. Yeah, well, all that is already in motion. So yeah, man, that's basically it on my side for trading. Okay, so today I'm not planning to trade. I'm not planning to take a trade at all today. Yeah, I just want to take a break because today is also Nvidia's earnings. Yeah, well, and since AI has been basically led by Nvidia, the market is not moving at all the way that it should be. It's literally Asian session. No, it's London session, right? Yeah, bro. So it's literally London session and Great British Pound USD, like literally is not moving. Like, let me show you. London session, Great British Pound. Look at that on a daily time frame. Look at that daily time frame. We have this, a doji candle, which means on a 4-hour time frame we have this. 1 hour time frame we have this. Get me? Everything is consolidating. Same thing with NAS, bro. Consolidation, gold. We coming back up. Yabon and J, like BTC is the only one that's actually, but it's also kind of ranging, just that the range is big, if you get what I'm saying. So isn't just Jalo, bro, where I'm looking at it and I'm like, you know what, bro? I think personally that I'm just gonna wait for Nvidia earnings to hit and then get placed to trade. Because even right now, just look at this. Just look at this headline, right? Just look at this headline. Investing.com. European stocks tick lower as Nvidia earnings release. Inflation fears loom large. You get what I'm saying? So there's an economic news today, and I'm not finna anticipate. You get me? I just want to react. Is the reaction in line with a setup that I can take? Yes or no? Yeah, well, then trade accordingly. If I miss it, I miss it. If I don't, I don't. At the end of the day, there's always going to be another trading opportunity. And with being able to trade crypto, I can trade over the weekend. Be able. So yeah, man. That's your boy summary for April and May, week 1, 2, and 3 of everything. So yeah, I'm gonna chill and then uh that's trading. Business wise is chilled. Um Life, bro, like people are haters. Yeah, bro, that's what I'm currently dealing with right now. Haters. Abantu bruh, they people will have more than you. People will have a bread, the whole loaf, and look at you with your crumbs and be like, nah, this nigga doesn't even deserve crumbs, bro. I'm like, and then I'm like, who the fuck are you to tell me that I don't deserve this, or I'm not worthy of this, or you know what I'm saying? Like, how can you drive a car and I'm here 10 toes down, bro, 10 toes fucking down, and yet you're intimidated by me? How does that work? You get what I'm saying? You are intimidated by me, yet you have more than me. How does that work? You know, and the craziest thing about it is that it's the same people with the same skin color that I have. It's the pot calling the kettle black. White people don't give a fuck. Indians don't give a fuck. Pakistanis don't give a fuck. Even the foreigners, bro, who are not, they don't give a fuck. It's only the people with the same skin color. It's like back in the slavery days, bro, on the plantation. You have niggas in the house, you have niggas on the field. Then you have niggas in security, you have niggas on the tractors, you have niggas in the negotiations, you have niggas driving the masters, people doing the house. Again, you have different type of niggas in different type of areas within the slavery plant. But to the master, they don't give a fuck whether you're in the house, driving the car, driving them around, cleaning the horses, doing all this shit. At the end of the day, you still a nigga. And I don't know if that programming, that 100, 200 years, or even apartheid for us South Africans, programmed us to see things away. Where it's like, umuntu omnyama, oh no, if a black person has something that a white person has, I must steal it from that black person and then go flex on that same person that I stole it from, just so I can get approval from the white person. But the white person doesn't give a fuck because all he sees you just another nigga. You get me? Rather than you showing that it's possible for other black people to attain the wealth and status that other races have, you want to decrease that shit, bro. It's like, bro, I can go on for hours and hours, but my screen recording can't take it. So yeah, man, that's your boy. It is what it is, and I think maybe I'll drop another video, or perhaps maybe I'll drop a day in the life. Maybe I'll drop a day in the life and just start that day in the life series, and then also I want to start a weekly analysis, like a weekly analysis. I want to drop that as well. So there's 3 types of things I want to do right now for content. Get back into the rhythm of dropping content, recording and doing like that, right? But then I want to drop, rather than the prop firm journey, I want to drop day in the life. You know what I mean? Like the raw struggle. You know? Like me waking up at my mom's house. My mom ain't working. I'm the only one that's working. Like, yabo, Nyaz Pandela, bro. Nyaz Pandela, dog. And yabo and dog, like being the black, stereotypical black boy who's raised by a single mother, trying to make it. Your boys, it doesn't matter, but I want to do that storyline, and then do like a series of that, but then also do a weekly analysis where I'm like, this is how I am analyzing for the week, and this is what I'm looking for. You get me? But I'm gonna do that on the laptop. And then the third thing I want to do, so the day in the life, weekly recording, analysis, and then the third one I want to do is like my thoughts, bro. Like I really want to document myself emotionally, mentally, spiritually, you know, taking myself out of my situation mentally, and then viewing myself from other people's perspective without walking a mile in their shoes. You get what I'm saying? So, yeah. Anyway, I'm talking too much of it and saying my plans a lot. So, anyway, I think Spa's gonna come in like 15 minutes. So, anyway, peace.